Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 27 Appleby Close. This is a 3-bedroom mid-terrace property. Has off-road parking here to the front and is well located for local schools and amenities. And then moving into the property, onto the ground floor here, we've got the hallway with stairs leading up to the first floor. We have a built-in cupboard here as well on the right hand side. Then we've got the door leading through to the integral garage and also the ground floor cloakroom with WC and wash basin. And then we've got the main reception room. Really nice spacious room which leads through to the conservatory. That's a glass roof in here and double doors leading out to the garden. We also have tile flooring with underfloor heating. And now into the kitchen. Nice wooden units in here, range style cooker, and there's also an integrated dishwasher and fridge. Really useful pantry with shelving space just in the corner. And then moving on to the first floor, we've got the landing area here with a cupboard housing the hot water cylinder and a further built-in storage cupboard as well. Then we have 3 bedrooms and main bathroom on this floor, starting with bedroom 1 here at the front of the property. And then we have bedroom 2 here at the rear with fitted wardrobes in here. And bedroom 3, again this one at the front of the house and also having a built-in storage cupboard over the stairs. And now into the bathroom where we have a corner bath with shower above and the wash basin and WC. And then out into the rear garden we have the flagged patio area, which then steps up to a raised decked seating space. And then just looking back at the property, and that concludes the online viewing for this one. Please do contact us if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, and we'll hopefully speak to you soon. Thanks very much. Bye for now.